In this video, I'll show you how you can add digital products on Wix. So this is actually quite easy. All you need to do is follow the steps in this video and I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So you want to go into your Wix dashboard and go to the Wix editor. Then once you're here, you want to click on My Store. Now, if you don't have that yet, you want to make sure to install it by clicking on Add right here and then search for Store and then install that. Next up, click on My Store and then right there you can click on Add Products. Click on it. They will send you over to this page where you can add your products. So we'll just wait until this shows up and then I'll show you how this works. Okay, here you go. So this is where you can add your product. Okay, now if you scroll down, you can find all of the information that you can that you can add to your product. So right here you can add images, you can add videos, you can add product information, and you can pretty much customize all of this. Now, inventory and shipping isn't necessary when adding a digital product, so you don't want to enable this. Just disable this and then you should be fine. Now, all you need to do now is start adding your product. So you can do that simply by giving it a name. You can set the price right here. You can add sales if you want to. You can then put in a discount. Now you can do a sale price or you can just give a percentage discount. That's up to you. You can add a description. You can see where this is going. It's pretty basic. So all you need to do here is add different variants of your product in case you have any. With a digital product, you might not. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a digital product on your website. It's quite easy. Just add it in here and then you should be fine. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next vid. Have a good day.